Hi, my name is Stephen Milburn, and I'm a senior associate attorney here at Dent Coulson Elder Law. These Elder Law minutes are intended to provide you with a framework to address any questions that you may have in your estate planning journey. Thank you. Today we're going to talk about unallowable transfers which result in penalty periods for Medicaid long-term care. If you've applied for Medicaid, the state of Illinois will do a review of your application to determine if you've made any unallowable transfers in determining whether or not you're eligible. And the reason they do that is if you've given away money, they'll put in place what's called a penalty period, and that penalty period will prohibit you from receiving state assistance until that penalty period is over. So penalties are not good, but there are ways, if you do receive a penalty period that you weren't expecting, to argue that those penalties should be deemed allowable. There are specific exemptions to those penalties. For example, in cases of financial exploitation, there are certain documents you can provide to show that that penalty was not made for the reason to qualify for benefits. There's also kind of a broad factor list that we'll look at, such as age, health, financial condition, and the purpose of the transfer. So if you have a penalty period or you're concerned about a penalty period, you can give us a call at Dent Coulson Elder Law and we'll help guide you through it.